out of the wind for a while. Pretty windy, so we're gonna hike up and over. Fish the opposite side of this point. Fish a little bit with the wind instead of having it blowing right in our faces. Ugh. I don't know if you can tell how steep it is, but pretty wild. Look at that. Head down over here. Oh, look at that wash section, huh? Plus we don't have the wind blowing in our faces. So much nicer. I think we're in a good spot. All right, post up here. Might have to put some brighter assist hooks on. Some like purple flashy or something, I don't know. That'd be the way to go. Well, there we go. There's a good one. Where is it? What happened? Got the strike and then it just kind of died out. Is it still on there? Oh yeah, he's on there. Ah, little Malabar. All right. So he was just deeper down there. Oh, oh. Okay. There's that guy. Sure hit it really hard. Thought it was bigger than that. I thought maybe it was something else, but that's cool. All right. Get him unbuttoned. Good old Sergio. I like the other side better. Not in the wind so much here, but other side I like fishing it. I like the view. And we could stay here. But there's one. There's one. Right when I was saying maybe we'll go to the other side, I hook another one. Oh, he came off. It was a little one. I think I jagged him. That's why it wasn't fighting the normal way. Ultralight ledge fishing. Hopefully many fish we are catching. All right. Almost guarantee those trevallies are down a little deeper today. There he is. Oh, that's a good one. There he is. It's a good one. It's a good one. Get him up here. Oh, yeah. Got a good one. Another good one. Let's get him up into our little... Got a little rock pool up here with cleaner water in it than that one, so nice Slamola. catch bag.